Hello friends, what's up? Welcome to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok cannot update region problem. First, open your TikTok app and now click on your profile and click on the right three dot button. Now click on setting and privacy. Now click on your account and select the first option and now select the third option, account region. Now you can see the country, all of country are showing here. Now you select your country and click on the red icon and back. Now setting and privacy, you scroll up and click on report and now again scroll up and now click on submit report. Now tell about your feedback. I just type here and click on submit. After that your problem will be solved as soon as possible.